Today, I'm going to draw what is a really cool looking camera. I always wanted to be a journalist and have one of these going around snapping pictures of everybody for a big story. Anyway, today's drawing is a digital single lens reflex camera, or as they are better known of as a DSLR. These are cameras that combine some of the best things about single lens reflex cameras and digital cameras. Colors, light reddish pink, some black pencils, and a lot of shading going on here. Let's get started, and then we'll take a picture of our picture. You can download a free printable for this drawing. Please follow the link in the description. You can reduce the speed to 0.25 times or 0.5 times from YouTube settings. If you like pencil sketching, please do visit our channel, Art for All Sketching. I'll share the link in the description. Now it's time for coloring. We'll speed up the video. Pause or adjust the speed if needed. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon.